I teach my child at home. I taught my child yesterday.
I wear comfortable shoes. I wore comfortable shoes yesterday.
I speak English at work. I spoke English yesterday. I send messages every day. I sent a message last night.
I put the book on the table. I put the book there yesterday.
I pay in cash. I paid by card yesterday. I lose my phone often. I lost my phone yesterday.
I keep my room clean. I kept my room clean last week.
I drive to work. I drove to work yesterday.
I hold my bag tightly. I held my bag on the bus.
I fall asleep quickly. I fell asleep early last night.
I sell old things online. I sold an old phone last week.
I ring the doorbell.
I rang the doorbell earlier.
I lend books to friends. I lent a book yesterday. I sit near the window. I sat near the window earlier.
I lay the book on the table.
I laid the book there earlier.
I begin work at 9. I began work late yesterday.
I hide my keys sometimes. I hid my keys yesterday.
I feed my pet every day. I fed my pet this morning.
I draw pictures for fun. I drew a picture yesterday.
I catch the bus every morning.
I caught the bus yesterday.
I bring lunch to work.
I brought lunch yesterday. I dig in the garden. I dug in the garden yesterday.